So no communication with the passenger door electric, so I'm going into the driver's door electric to see what it says. It should say no communication with passenger door. Motor for central locking door. The V5 has an intermittent problem. Driver's door central locking. Intermittent. Locking module for the front driver's door not plausible. ECU for passenger door 387, no communication. Alright, I want to check to see if there's any fuses. Guys, these wires on the driver's door check out as well. I've pulled all of these and it's not that. So, guys, I've got a wiring diagram and I've been checking point A to point B. I haven't seen anything out of the ordinary, so I'm taking the door card off now to have a look behind to see if I can see anything that's probably causing this window not to work, not light up. But power supply wise, it seems to be all okay.
One thing I would say about this car that I haven't seen is that it does smell damp. That's kind of not even like something in water damage, but I haven't found it. To get this off, you just pull this bit back. So this is the control unit and it's got no power for whatever reason.
This is kind of hard to explain, but if you follow it, that's good, man. You're on the right track. Basically, I compared the power supply from the driver's door to the passenger door. So obviously the driver's door was working properly, the window goes up and down and stuff. So I went over to that side and checked what the power was on each pin, what would happen when you operated the switch, and then with that information I came over to the passenger door so I can check that the power supplies that I would expect to be there were there, and they were there. So after doing that, I compared the power supply from that same door where it connects in the hinge to the motor itself. So just making sure that there was no voltage drops or anything missing at the motor. So the wires that went to the motor, I checked that they were connected at the hinge as well. So you could just see there that the hinge is open, and I'm checking the back of it, and I'm just literally just checking spots, making sure that they match up, and everything matched up. So the next thing that I would do would be tackling the motor. So I disconnected the motor, or removed the motor, and then separated it just to check that, separated it from the module just to check that there was no corrosion between the connection of the motor and the module. And yeah, that all worked out as well. So I told the customer that he needs a new motor. And I think one from Volkswagen was like £198 plus VAT. And a used one on eBay with the same part number was like £35. So the customer opted for a used part, and he come back to me. Well, he went back onto my website to book an appointment for me to return another day, and yeah, that's what happened. I came back and it's working. Happy days. Yes guys, I'm back on this Volkswagen Golf, and I diagnosed this motor modulus faulty. This is a second-hand one putting in here, and I really tested it. It's working, man. Just hold up. All right, so all put back together and working. Another job done.